Today I've got the brand new Oppo A6 Pro in my hands and I've been testing it for a couple of days now. So I will share to you my first impression and if it's worth the upgrade compared to its predecessor, the A5 Pro. This isn't the full review yet, so stay tuned with that. And if you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our latest tech reviews and updates. So picking this up for the first time, it feels incredibly light. We're talking just 185 grams and only 8 millimeters thin. The plastic back on this rosewood red variant has a beautiful matte finish with a subtle petal vein texture that completely resists fingerprints. It also comes in stellar blue, and honestly, even after using it all day, it still looks spotless. Design-wise, it's quite similar to the A5 Pro, and it also boasts military-grade durability with an IP69 rating. That means it's dust-tight, water-resistant up to 1.5 meters, and can even handle high-pressure water jets. You can even snap photos or record videos underwater. A really nice bonus for a phone at this price point. Moving on to the display, we're getting a 6.57-inch AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. It comes with a resolution of 1080 by 2372 pixels and a peak brightness of 1400 nits. A major upgrade from the A5 Pro's 90Hz HD screen. The 120Hz refresh rate makes everything feel incredibly smooth. Colors on the AMOLED really pop, and brightness looks great indoors. The ultra-slim 1.67mm bezels make it perfect for binge-watching movies. I'll test outdoor visibility in the full review, but for now, first impressions, this display is definitely a winner. Under the hood, the phone packs a MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor with up to 16GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The same setup we saw on the A5 Pro, so nothing new here. To be honest, the Dimensity 6300 handles everyday tasks just fine. For basic use like browsing or social media, it feels smooth, apps open quickly, and multitasking is no problem. I'll dive deeper into gaming performance in my full review, so stay tuned for that. Now for the star of the show, a 65,000 mAh battery with 80-watt SuperVOOC fast charging. That's massive, and Oppo claims days of usage on a single charge. With the efficient processor, I believe it. They're even promising over 80% capacity retention after 5 years of daily charging. The 80-watt charging means you go from dead to full in just 50 minutes. For a battery this size, that's seriously impressive. Moreover, we've got a 50-megapixel main camera with night mode, portrait, pro mode, and underwater photography support. Yes, you can actually take this swimming. The 16-megapixel front camera should handle selfies and video calls easily. I'll test everything in different lighting conditions for the full review, but it looks promising so far. Now here's my initial thoughts. The Oppo A6 Pro is genuinely impressive. That 6500 mAh battery in an 8mm thin body, the military-grade durability with IP69 rating, the smooth 120Hz AMOLED display, and decent performance, this is hitting all the right notes. Is it worth upgrading from the A5 Pro? If performance held you back before, it's the same. If battery life matters most, definitely yes. If you need something durable, absolutely 100%. Oppo fixed pretty much every complaint from the A5 Pro while keeping an aggressive price. I need more time for the full review to test camera quality, real-world battery life, and long-term performance. So subscribe and hit that bell because you don't want to miss it. But right now, Oppo might have just created one of the best value phones of the year. Let me know in the comments, what feature excites you most? That monster battery, the 80-watt charging, the military-grade build? I want to hear from you. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out!